adverb.
都
Level, HSK1. Use, expressing quantity, emphasizing. The adverb
都
is used to express all in Chinese. It is common to use
都
in a variety of sentences where it would seem unnecessary in English. Structure, subject plus
都
verb phrase. Remember that.
都
Appears after the subject. A common mistake learners make is to put
都
at the beginning of the sentence. Make sure you put
都
after the subject and before the verb. Chinese does not normally use a special word for both, like English does. It just uses
都
as if it were any other number greater than 1. Chinese also does not have a special pattern like neither / nor for the negative. Just use
都
and make the sentence negative. Structure, subject plus
都
verb phrase. This pattern should look familiar. These examples follow exactly the same form in Chinese as the ones above. The only difference is that here we do not translate
都
as all in English. We translate it as both. In negative cases, we translate it as neither or none. Do you all know John?
你们都认识
John.
吗？
They are all in Shanghai.
他们都在上海。
They all do not know John, meaning none of them know John.
他们都不认识。
John. We are all not students, meaning none of us are students.
我们都不是学生。
Note, always place
都
after the subject in negative sentences.
都
Can mean none or neither. Summary use
都
to express all or both and place it after the subject. In negative sentences, it can mean none or neither.